Let me show you how I saw a scholar last year sort these animals. Here's what they did. First, they asked themselves, what is the same about my data? And then they looked and they noticed that some of these animals swim or live in the water, and some of these animals walk and run or live on land. So they put their items into groups or categories based on where they live. So they labeled their categories land and water. Then they counted the number of animals that live on land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they used a tally chart to show that. How many tallies should I put under land? Say it out loud. Right, 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count the animals that live in water. Say it out loud. And count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now let's add our tallies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. What do you notice about how they sorted? Say it out loud. I bet you said that all of the animals in each group live in the same place, and these groups that we made are called categories. We learned before that a category is a group of items that has something in common. And again, when we figure out our categories for our data, we can ask ourselves, what is the same about my data? Let's try it. I'm going to show you another way I saw a scholar sort this same data. Here's what they did. First they asked, what is the same about my data? And then they said, well, I know that animals like fish, dolphin, and octopus live in the ocean. So they made that one of their categories. Then they looked at the other animals and they noticed that a horse and a pig and a chicken all live on a farm. So they made that their other category. Then they realized that they had some animals left. So they asked, what is the same about a lion, a tiger, an elephant, and a snake? And they thought, oh, they all live in the jungle. So they made that their third category. So now that we have our groups or categories, we need to make a tally chart. How many tallies should we put under ocean? Say it out loud. I bet you said 3 because the fish, the dolphin, and the octopus all live in the ocean. How many tallies should we put under farm? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we should put 1, 2, 3 tallies under farm for the chicken, the horse, and the pig. And how many tallies should we put under jungle? Say it out loud. I bet you said 4, because we have the lion, the snake, the tiger, and the elephant. But I had another scholar who did something different. Here's what they did. They sorted by number of legs. So first they looked and that they noticed that the snake had 0 legs. So they made that their first category. And they put 1 tally under 0 legs. Then they moved on to 2 legs. And they noticed that the chicken and But I had another scholar who sorted the objects in a different way. They sorted by number of legs. They looked at the dolphin, the fish, and the snake, and realized they all had 0 legs. So they named their first category 0 legs and put 3 tallies in it. Then they looked at their pictures or their data and realized that none of the animals had 1 leg. So they moved on to 2 legs. They saw that the chicken had 2 legs. So they named their category 2 legs and put 1 tally to represent the chicken. Since none of the animals have 3 legs, they named their next category 4 legs. And they counted 1, 2, 3, 4 animals with 4 legs. Last, they double-checked their work and realized that they missed the horse. And the horse also has 4 legs. So they crossed it off and put one more tally under 4 legs, before moving on to their final category, 8 legs, for the octopus, and they put 1 tally in it.